Hi guys, today we are going to do lychee Italian soda with blue tea. Italian soda is really just cordial and soda, but we can make it look special and taste great. Let's go make lychee Italian soda blue tea in mocktail. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. And here are the ingredients that we need for lychee Italian soda with blue tea today. 1.5 ounces or 50 ml of lychee cordial. 1.5 blue tea, which is 50 ml as well. Soda water. Lime juice. And a cup of ice for 20 ounces. For some reason, lots of people, they like to add cream to the Italian soda, but it's so much healthier without those calories. And anyway, it looks horrible when cream and soda separates. Half of the fun with food and drink is having it looking great, right? This lychee blue tea Italian soda is our favorite drink, as the colors and the taste go together so well. And the kids can pretend they're having cocktail just like the other when we have a party. For making blue tea, it's very easy and simple. You can use fresh butterfly blue tea, or you can use dry one. It's up to you. Okay, let me show you. That I use, today I'm using a dry one, and then I'm gonna pour hot water in about half cup. Oh, by the way, it doesn't matter if you make a full cup or more than the one that we're using for the ingredient today. You can keep it in the fridge for a couple days for next time. When the color come out like this, you can strain it into another cup. Okay, now we have blue tea already. Then we can make lychee blue tea Italian soda. We need 50 ml of lychee cordial. Then I will mix with soda water. Add it up until 1 cup. And then I need a cup of ice. And then pour it into the cup. And then gently pour blue tea into the drink. If you make a mess, doesn't matter. The kid can tidy up. Then I need a slice of lime. And here it is. Lychee blue tea Italian soda. Do you like Italian soda and find it fun like me? I would love to see your comments down below. If you want to find out for the recipe, you can go to tuajang.com/lychee-italian. Have a good time, enjoy your day. See you for next video, bye!